Assuming you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030, and generally need to know where the costs of Theta organization Theta will, in a real sense, go from now on. We will, for the most part, investigate the previous costs of Theta organization Theta, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which especially is very huge. Kindly especially remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this explicitly is just the idea of some market master investigators, not to sort of specify foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable, which is very critical. In any case, we will in a real sense make an honest effort. How about we start? Theta organization past value examination, as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Theta organization by and large is 2.31 and Theta is as of now positioned #48 in the whole crypto biological system, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The flow supply of Theta organization essentially is 1,000 ismbazin with a market cap of $2,306, 651, 341. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta organization's cost has shown a very decent increment of 287% as of now in a for the most part significant manner. For most recent 7 days, the Theta was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 261%, which essentially is genuinely critical. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for genuinely recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and most certainly contribute. Theta organization value expectation 2024 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2024, the cost of Theta organization is estimated to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $319, or so they thought. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $368 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $319 in USD, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value expectation 2025 the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at any rate worth of $461 in 2025. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $559 with a typical exchanging cost of $478 all through 2025. Theta value figure for 2026 Theta organization cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $663 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $805 with the genuinely normal figure cost of $687. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2027, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $974. The Theta cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of $1147 with the typical exchanging cost of $208 in a very large manner. Theta organization value expectation 2028 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2028, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1410. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1743 with the exceptionally normal worth of $1451 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value expectation 2029. The cost of Theta organization most certainly is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at the very least degree of $1969 in 2029 in a significant manner. The Theta organization cost can arrive at a very greatest degree of $2349 with the, in every practical sense, normal cost of $2027 all through 2029, which is very huge. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2030 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to basically reach at a fundamentally least degree of $2678, which generally is very critical. The Theta cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $3349 with the typical exchanging cost of $2779. Theta organization value. Conjecture 2031 the cost of one Theta organization is supposed to reach at least degree of $3773 in 2031. The Theta cost can especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $4646 with a fundamentally normal cost of $3884 all through 2031. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2032 Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal sort of conceivable degree of $5488 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could truly arrive at a really greatest conceivable degree of $66.06 with the typical gauge cost of $56.43 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Theta Organization generally is certainly anticipated to sort of reach at least worth of $78.16 in 2033. The Theta Organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $93.07 with the typical exchanging cost of $80.41 all through 2033. Theta Organization Value Figure 2040 long-haul expectations ought to generally be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market in a significant way. Enhancement. And remaining informed about the most recent advancements explicitly are key techniques for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto speculations, or so they by and large thought. According to our Theta cost expectation, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $1,740, or so they thought. While the base value worth of a Theta organization can by and large be around $1,404 with the coin exchanging at a kind of typical cost of $1,515 approximately. Theta value figure for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital currency are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with functional applications and far-reaching reception basically are in every practical sense bound to persevere over the long haul, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to the Theta Organization cost estimate for 2050, Theta is expected to fundamentally arrive at a really greatest value worth of $2,317 in 2050. The for the most part least anticipated cost of Theta coin in 2050 is supposed to sort of be around $2.09. While the in every way that really matters, normal cost of the Theta organization for 2050 basically is projected to, in every practical sense, be $2.89. Theta organization value estimate facts. What basically is the eventual fate of Theta organization? The fate of Theta organization explicitly is profoundly truly reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business, which is genuinely huge. With regards to putting resources into Theta, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique, or so they thought. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. In any case, still a great speculation for those really have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Theta likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What will be the Theta most elevated gauge cost for 2024? The Theta cost essentially is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $368 toward the finish of 2024. How much does Theta organization cost in 2025, or so they essentially thought? The cost of Theta organization will increment as additional financial backers fundamentally engage in the task. In year 2025,